Unlocking Mastery in Generative AI. Welcome to the frontier of artificial intelligence, where creativity and computation converge, the world of generative AI. Generative AI is a revolution, creating new content from digital DNA, sparking innovation in every industry, from music to medicine. To master this field, embrace a dual understanding of creativity and code. Grasp the artistry behind algorithms and the logic behind the lyrical. Dive deep into neural networks, machine learning, and deep learning. These are the foundational pillars of generative AI that drive the creation process. Keep yourself updated with latest research papers, models, and techniques. Continuous learning is the key to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving domain. Venture beyond theory. Apply your knowledge, experiment, and build. The true mastery of generative AI lies in the act of creation. So, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, because ahead there is a wonderful course of Generative AI course waiting for you.